So, solar powered mobile clinic. So, my name is Dean RGP Malyari, and I am here to present my parts. So, a presentation background. So, the first is the 10 Qs, directions for use, and then the marketing tools. The first part is the 10 Qs. So, I have two questions that are to be answered here. So, the first question is, which product service project have we taken inspiration from? The proposed product service project takes inspiration from clinics that mainly does checkups and administrating flu vaccines. The mobile clinics that are set up in remote areas with inaccessible healthcare were also investigated for inspiration. What will we add, omit, or improve on this existing product service project? An aspect in which mobile clinics could possibly be improved on is how power is provided to the mobile clinics. Since they are to be set up in communities on the outskirts of civilization, the facilities to be constructed should also have a power supply available. Most remote communities do not have the privilege of easily accessible power. This could be amended by implementing a self-sustaining solution in terms of energy harvesting. Therefore, we propose a mobile clinic that will utilize solar panels. This presents us with the challenge of proposing a mobile clinic that would offer general checkup, medical consultation, basic services, and vaccinations while taking into consideration the feasibility of using solar panels as a dependable power supply. So the next part is the directions for use. So there are three parts for the directions for use. And the first part is the deployment. So how does our deployment function? So our deployment functions as follows. So before deploying, you must survey the area. You must search for an area where there is an open location in which the mobile clinic could be set up properly. The next is that the area that should be considered should have proper sun exposure as to gather solar power in large amounts. And then the last is that in cooperation with the barangay officials, the local community should be gathered to the mobile clinic as to inquire and also accommodate all of those who desire to get medical checkups and vaccinations. And the last part is the marketing tools. So in marketing our product, we will harvest the power of social media, branding, and advertising. And with that, we have the four pillars: the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Considering that most people, if not all, are have social media accounts, we have taken into consideration that the most optimal way of advertising our product is through social media, through the internet. And the company logo, the next marketing tool. So in thinking of our company logo, we have thought of the following. So we have the ambulance, which shows the medical side and the mobility side of our product. There's the G7, which shows the name of our product. And then we have the sun and the medical symbol right up there. So what does that mean? So it shows the harmonization of the medical part and the solar power part. And lastly, the company flyer. So what is our company flyer? So first off, of course, there is the there is a title above there and a sustainable mobile clinic solution. It shows a brief description of what our product is, and then there's bullet points on the middle that shows a detailed description of what our product is. But of course, that is only a brief summary. And then on the bottom part, there is a slogan for our product. So that product, that flyer, it will be given out to the people, to various barangays, so that they would be sold on the idea that our mobile clinic is viable and it is energy efficient. So it could be used anywhere, maybe in mountainside or maybe shoreside. It could be used anywhere. So with that, thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed my presentation. Again, my name is Dean RGP Malyari, and thank you.